Welcome to LFA's video on changing your RTP9 upper roller cam. Over time your upper roller cam will wear down. First we're going to remove the perspex shield to give us easier access to the upper punches. We're first going to remove the hopper with a 5mm Allen key. Next we're going to remove the perspex case by releasing the 4 5mm Allen key bolts on the top. Now lift off the perspex case. Now we need to remove the upper punches. To allow us to remove them, we first need to remove the upper tracking key. Rotate the turret so the punches are not on top of it. Taking a 4mm Allen key, undo the bolt and remove the keyed section. Now rotate the turret using the hand turning wheel and remove the upper punches from where the key was. Take the 36mm wrench which comes with your RTP9 and undo the 2 large nuts holding the upper cam housing in place. Lift off the upper cam housing while holding the tracking at the same time, as this may fall. We're first going to be using a 5mm Allen key to remove this bolt. You can then remove the upper roller cam pressure adjuster. Pull out the cam which will release the upper roller. Replace with your new upper roller, which can go either way, then insert the cam with the keyed section facing the hole. Then replace the cam pressure adjuster with it facing out this way. Replace the 5mm bolt and then your upper cam housing will be ready to replace. Place on your upper cam housing and ensure your tracking is in place. Replace the 2 36mm nuts and tighten. Now we can start inserting the top punches through the keyed section whilst turning the hand wheel, so the upper tooling runs along the top tracking. It's important you hold the tooling head above the tracking so it does not fall like this, otherwise you will damage the tracking. Once all your tooling is in place, rotate the hand wheel till the keyed section is between the 2 punches and reinsert the key and tighten with a 4mm Allen key. You can now replace your perspex shield and hopper. Whenever you make adjustments to your RTP9, it's always important to run the machine by hand first to ensure everything is running smoothly. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.